Thanks for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we're focusing on a critical challenge for Korean medical device companies looking to expand into Latin America, navigating Brazil's extended registration timelines and approval delays. For manufacturers accustomed to the generally faster and more predictable approval processes of Korea's Ministry of Food and Drug Safety, or MFDS, the Brazilian system can introduce significant uncertainty. The primary regulator in Brazil is the National Health Surveillance Agency, known as ANVISA. A key mistake is assuming that a strategy successful with the MFDS will directly translate to ANVISA. The timelines are fundamentally different. While lower-risk Class 1 and 2 devices can follow a simplified notification pathway called Notificação, which typically results in a decision within 30 days. The process for higher-risk devices is far more complex. For Class 3 and 4 devices, manufacturers must undergo the registro process. This involves an extensive technical review by ANVISA that can take anywhere from 4 to 12 months, and in some cases, even longer. This variability stands in sharp contrast to the timelines Korean companies often expect, forcing a complete reevaluation of business planning. Project timelines, sales forecasts, and launch strategies must all be adjusted to accommodate Brazil's regulatory uncertainty. A launch plan based on MFDS timelines will not be viable. Furthermore, gaining market access is not the final step. Once a registro approval is granted, it is valid for 10 years. However, maintaining compliance is an ongoing responsibility. Manufacturers must remain attentive to regulatory changes from ANVISA throughout that period and prepare for the renewal process well in advance to avoid any lapse in market authorization. This long-term vigilance is crucial for sustained success in the Brazilian market. If your company needs assistance navigating the complexities of global market access in Brazil or other regions, Pure Global can help. We specialize in creating efficient regulatory strategies to get your products to market faster. Check the description for a link to our free AI tools and database. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.